Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free?
Hi, yes, it is. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. My name is Alice. I'm new here at the university.
Hi, Alice. I'm Ben. Welcome to our campus. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ben. I just arrived this week, and I'm a bit nervous, but very excited.
I understand. I remember my first day. It can be a little scary, but you will love it here. What are you studying?
I am studying business administration. I chose it because I like working with people and solving problems. What about you?
I study computer science. I enjoy working with computers and coding. I like how technology can change the world.
That sounds interesting. I think both our fields are very important today.
Yes, they are. So, where are you from, Alice?
I'm from a small town in the north. It's quiet and beautiful there. And you, Ben?
I am from a nearby city. It's busy, but I like it because there are many opportunities.
I think moving from a small town to a big university can be challenging, but also fun.
Absolutely. The campus is large, and there are many clubs and activities to join. Have you thought about joining any clubs yet?
Not really. I am still exploring the campus, but I am interested in the art club and maybe a business club. What clubs are you in?
I joined the computer club and the sports club. I like to play basketball, so the sports club is fun for me.
That sounds great. I like sports too, but I also enjoy painting. I think I will visit the art club and see what they do.
You should. It's a good way to make new friends and share your hobbies.
Speaking of friends, I'm really excited to meet new people. Do you remember your first day at university?
Yes, I do. I was very nervous, but I soon met friendly people in my classes. I joined a study group, and that helped me a lot.
I hope I can join a study group too. I believe studying together makes learning easier and more fun.
Definitely. You can share ideas and help each other with assignments.
By the way, how many classes do you have this semester?
I have about 5 classes. I take computer programming, mathematics, and some general education courses. What about you?
I have 6 classes. I take Introduction to Business, Marketing, and a few language courses. Sometimes it feels like a lot, but I'm excited to learn.
It can be busy, but if you work hard, you will do well. I try to make a schedule so I can manage my time.
That is a good idea. I need to learn how to plan my day better. I sometimes study in the library after classes.
The library is a great place to study. It's quiet, and you can focus on your work. I also use the campus cafe sometimes.
I like the cafe too. I enjoy a cup of coffee and a snack while I read or work on my assignments.
What kind of coffee do you like, Alice?
I usually drink latte. It's smooth and not too strong. And you?
I like black coffee. It wakes me up and helps me concentrate.
Black coffee is good too. So, what do you do in your free time when you are not in class?
In my free time, I like to play basketball and sometimes watch movies. I also like to play video games on my computer. What about you?
I love reading books and drawing. I also enjoy walking around campus and visiting the art gallery. Sometimes I listen to music while I relax.
That sounds very peaceful. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock. Sometimes I listen to classical music when I need to relax. And you, Ben?
I enjoy pop music and a little bit of electronic music. It gives me energy, especially before I play basketball.
It is great how music can change our mood. Do you have any favorite movies?
Yes, I love adventure movies and comedies. They make me laugh and feel excited. What about you?
I like romantic comedies and fantasy movies. I enjoy stories that are fun and sometimes magical.
That's nice. I think we have many different tastes, but that is what makes conversation interesting.
I agree. I also like to travel when I have time. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
I went to a nearby city last summer. I visited a famous museum and tried some local food. It was a fun trip.
That sounds great. I would love to travel more. I want to visit other cities and maybe some countries in Europe.
Europe is amazing. I hope to travel there someday too. We can plan a trip together with some friends.
That would be wonderful. Traveling with friends makes the journey more fun and memorable.
Yes, I agree. We can explore new places, try different foods, and learn about other cultures.
Do you have a favorite travel destination, Ben?
I really like the city. I visited last summer. It had beautiful parks, old buildings, and a lively market. I felt happy and free there.
That sounds lovely. I dream of visiting Italy. I want to see ancient ruins, art galleries, and taste authentic Italian pizza and pasta.
Italy is on my list too. I think it is a country full of history and beauty.
I believe travel broadens our mind and helps us learn new things.
It does. When I travel, I learn about history, art, and even language. I try to learn a few words in the local language before I go.
That is a good idea. I have learned some Italian phrases from a friend. It makes me feel more connected when I visit new places.
I agree. Even a few words can help you make friends with local people.
Speaking of making friends, I really like meeting new people at the university. What made you decide to come to this university, Ben?
I chose this university because it has a good reputation for computer science and because it is in a big city with many opportunities. I also wanted to meet new people and learn new things.
That makes sense. I chose this university because of its strong business program and because I want to develop my skills in a diverse environment.
It is very important to be in an environment where you can grow. I think we will both have many chances to learn and improve.
Yes, and I believe that being in a diverse place helps you understand different cultures and ideas.
Exactly. I enjoy talking to students from different parts of the world. It makes me see life in many different ways.
I feel the same. I love learning about my classmates' backgrounds and their stories. It makes me feel connected and curious about the world.
What do you like to do after classes? Do you study at the library or in your dorm?
I usually study in the library because it is quiet. Sometimes I study in the dorm with my roommate, but I find the library better for concentration.
I also study in the library. It is a good place to find a quiet corner and focus on my assignments.
Do you have any plans for the next semester? Maybe some projects or clubs you want to join?
I plan to join a coding club and maybe start a small project with other students. I also want to take part in some sports events. What about you, Alice?
I want to join the art club and the business club. I am excited to work on creative projects and also learn more about the business world.
That sounds like a good plan. Joining clubs is a great way to meet people and build skills.
Yes, and it also helps us relax and enjoy our time at university.
I think we have many similar interests, and I am glad we met today.
Me too, Ben. It is always nice to meet someone who is friendly and has similar dreams.
I hope we can study together sometime, or maybe work on a small project.
That would be wonderful. I am always looking for a study partner or a friend to share ideas with.
Let's exchange our contact information so we can meet again. I would love to join you for coffee or visit a club together.
Great idea, Ben. Here is my phone number and email.
Thank you, Alice. Here is mine too. I will send you a message later so we can plan something soon.
I look forward to it. I am excited about the new semester and all the opportunities we will have.
Me too. University is a great place to learn and grow, and making new friends is one of the best parts of it.
Yes, I believe that our friendship can help us succeed. We can share study tips, support each other, and have fun.
Absolutely. I'm happy we met today. I think this is the start of a great friendship.
I agree, Ben. I feel very comfortable talking with you.
So, what do you plan to do this weekend? Maybe we can meet at the campus cafe?
That sounds good. I plan to visit the library on Saturday morning and then have lunch at the cafe. It would be nice to chat more about our classes and plans.
I will join you then. I can meet you at the cafe after my basketball practice.
Perfect. I love basketball too, even if I don't play it often.
Maybe one day you can join our team. It is a fun way to exercise and make friends.
Maybe I will try. I like to try new things.
That is the spirit. I believe university is a time for new experiences and learning from every opportunity.
I feel so lucky to have this chance. I want to study hard, enjoy my hobbies, and make great memories here.
Me too. I always try to balance my studies, hobbies, and social life. It is not always easy, but it makes life more fun.
Yes, balance is very important. I hope we can help each other with our studies.
I would like that. We can form a study group or share notes. I think it will help us both.
That is a good idea, Ben. Learning together makes difficult subjects easier to understand.
And it is more fun to study with friends. We can have short breaks, talk about our interests, and then get back to work.
Exactly. I already feel more confident about this new journey because I met you today.
I feel the same, Alice. It is nice to have someone to talk to and share ideas with.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, Ben. I'm really happy we met and talked about our studies, hobbies, and future plans.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our chat very much. I look forward to many more conversations and adventures at this university.
Me too. I will see you at the campus cafe this Saturday, and we can start our study group.
That sounds like a plan. Have a great day, Alice, and good luck with your classes.
Thank you, Ben. You have a great day as well. See you soon.
See you soon, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.